Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best heavy-duty sponges is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have in your arsenal, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grime on your car to baked-on food in your kitchen, making them an indispensable item for any household looking to maintain a pristine environment with minimal effort. Number 5. Temede Large Cellulose Sponges, 5-pack. Introducing our large cellulose sponges, designed for tough cleaning tasks. They offer a powerful scrub without scratching your surfaces. Make dishwashing a breeze with these heavy-duty sponges. They are perfect for tackling grease and grime in your kitchen. These versatile sponges aren't just for dishes. Use them throughout your home for household cleaning, cookware, and even in the bathroom. Crafted for durability, these sponges are built to last. Their thick, heavy-duty design ensures they can handle frequent use. Each pack comes conveniently compressed, saving you storage space. Simply expand them when you're ready to use. Get a pack of 5 large sponges, providing excellent value. Keep your home sparkling clean with this essential cleaning tool. What we like. This sponge is designed for tough cleaning jobs. Its thick, heavy-duty construction and non-scratch surface make it ideal for tackling baked-on messes without damaging your cookware. If you're looking for a reliable sponge for your kitchen that can handle anything, this is the one for you. What people say. These high-quality sponges do an excellent job of cleaning up messes on a variety of surfaces. They are rather thick, super absorbent, and soft, more a medium size than a small. They do not scratch surfaces and rinse cleanly. These amazing kitchen sponges come compressed into a very small package, so I was surprised to see how quickly they expanded to their large, 4x6, size when placed under a stream of water. The corners are rounded off and they are the perfect size for my hand. They are also very absorbent but easy to squeeze out excess water. These come in a small flat package, and when you take one of these and put into water, they instantly expand like magic into a full-size sponge ready to use. They are sturdy, very absorbent, and big enough in my hand to wipe the kitchen counter clean. Number 4. Temede 5-pack Large Car Wash Sponges. Discover the ultimate cleaning companion with our large, extra-thick foam sponges. Designed for all your cleaning needs, they make every task effortless. These sponges measure 9.1 x 4.3 x 2.4, providing ample surface area for a superior clean. Their extra thickness ensures durability and effective scrubbing. Perfect for your car, kitchen, bathroom, and general household cleaning. Their all-purpose design tackles dirt and grime on any surface with ease. Crafted from high-quality foam, these sponges are built to last. You'll appreciate their resilience through countless cleaning sessions. Simplify your cleaning routine with this 5-pack of essential tools. They are the ideal choice for achieving a spotless finish every time. What we like. This option offers an extra thick foam for superior cleaning power. Its large size ensures you can cover more area with each wipe, making it perfect for washing cars or tackling large household surfaces. If you need a versatile sponge that excels at both automotive and general cleaning, consider this. What people say. These are big and thick sponges that soak up lots of soap and make it perfect to wash your car with a nice soft touch. The product is of an optimal size, user-friendly, and effectively cleans surfaces. Its thickness is precisely suited to my needs. Fantastic. Extra large and super soft. I bought it to clean my new bathtub without scratching the surface, and it works perfectly. It's so big, it makes cleaning faster and easier. Number 3. Large Natural Cellulose Cleaning Sponges, 3-pack. Introducing our large natural cellulose cleaning sponges. This 3-pack is perfect for all your cleaning needs. These sponges absorb water and oil quickly and efficiently. Their large size means you can clean more area with fewer strokes. Our sponges are eco-friendly, biodegradable, and compostable. You can feel good about using them around your home. The gentle, non-scratch texture is safe for all your surfaces. Use them on cookware, painted surfaces, and more without worry. They are durable and flexible, making them ideal for various tasks. Use them in the kitchen, bathroom, or even for your car and boat. What we like. This sponge is an eco-conscious choice, being biodegradable and compostable. It absorbs liquids quickly and is gentle on surfaces, making it safe for everything from your kitchen to your car's paint. If you prioritize sustainability and a non-damaging clean, this is a fantastic option. What people say. They are big but functional. Very good quality absorbent sponges. Great for big cleanup jobs. These sponges make cleaning quick and easy because of their thickness and large size. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, 3 count. Introducing the Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, your new essential for a sparkling clean home. This pack includes 3 versatile sponges designed for all your cleaning needs. Experience the magic of Flex Texture Foam. It becomes firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning, adapting to any mess. Worry no more about scratches. These sponges are safe for over a dozen materials, from delicate glass to sturdy cast iron, and even your car's exterior. Enjoy freshness for up to 8 weeks. With proper care, these sponges resist odors and stains, and the color coding helps you designate them for specific areas like the kitchen or bathroom. From dishes and furniture to sneakers and bathtubs, these sponges tackle dirt, grime, and gunk everywhere. They are perfect for caked-on messes and everyday cleaning. Designed for comfort and efficiency, they fit perfectly in your hand for a secure grip. His eyes provide a 360-degree reach, and his mouth cleans both sides of utensils. What we like. Experience cleaning with a sponge that adapts to the task. Its unique material changes texture with water temperature, offering firm scrubbing in cold and gentle cleaning in warm water. If you appreciate a sponge that stays fresh longer and is comfortable to hold, this is a smart pick. What people say. This got stains up that I had long given up on. It works great on tricky mess in half the time. The durability is also incredible. Several months later they are still going strong. These Scrub Daddy Color Sponges work really well. They scrub tough messes without scratching, clean easily, and don't hold odors like regular sponges. The colors are fun, and they last longer than I expected. They absolutely do not scratch. Long wearing too. Number 1. 3M Extra Large Commercial Sponge. Introducing the 3M Extra Large Commercial Sponge, your ultimate partner for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Experience unparalleled absorbency and durability. Crafted from premium cellulose, this sponge soaks up 10 times more liquid than ordinary sponges. It effortlessly handles even the toughest messes. Designed for rigorous use, it resists crumbling and tearing. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance, project after project. This versatile cleaning solution is perfect for a wide range of surfaces, including wood, glass, plastic, stone, and metal. Use it in kitchens, garages, or any commercial space. With its generous dimensions, it provides extensive coverage, allowing you to clean faster and more efficiently. Get more done in less time. Manufactured by 3M, a leader in cleaning innovation, you can trust its reliable quality for both household and industrial needs. What we like. This sponge boasts exceptional absorbency, soaking up liquids 10 times more than standard sponges. Its durable construction means it stands up to heavy-duty tasks without falling apart. If you need a robust and highly absorbent sponge for demanding cleaning jobs in your kitchen or garage, this professional-grade option is ideal. What people say. It soaks up quite a lot of liquid, which meets my sponge need when cleaning. This is a real cellulose sponge that's great for car washing. It will last years. It is durable and very absorbent. Could not find anything even close to comparable to this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.